You know, somebody once told me truth tables and Venn diagrams were hard, but I don't believe that for a second. They're actually quite easy. In fact, I'd compare them to first grade math even. Let's not get ahead of myself. Let me show you what I mean.
Yeah, you've probably seen these before, you know, less than, greater than, equal to. This is stuff you've learned in first grade. But what if I told you there was something that was similar to this? This is what we're going to call the things you use to identify a Venn diagram. There's probably a more professional name, but who cares? We got this funky upside down U. We got this regular U. These two things you see right in front of you, these are going to be the main things you're gonna see when you're doing Venn diagrams, okay? This is union, and you can tell there's a little U right there, all right? This means both, all right? Now, this one, this means and. Now, that doesn't make much sense, but soon you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Alright guys, you'll have to excuse my amazing taste of waifus for a second so I can just hang this up. There it is. You got it all right there. You got the A, the B, the Z. You know, you might be saying Trent Z looks crooked. Well, yeah, I'm gonna just hang up a little bit of stuff so we can better understand what the upside down U and the U actually mean. So let's get into this real quick. You know, I got some Sharpies right here, and we're gonna get right into this one. Okay, guys, so I know I'm making you cringe to death, but we got right here, we got A union B. Now, what does that mean? Okay, Mr. Barnett, this is the point in the video where you pause it and you ask the class what's going on. Okay, I'm assuming you've paused the video, you've asked them what this means. Let me explain what it means, okay? So, you got A, you got B. This means that anything that's within A and B together, you shade in. Or that's what this implies. Alright, so let me just show you what that means. Alright, now we're getting into business real quick. Just rough shades, but you can see that I'm getting really all A and B right here. You know, this is quality shading, I know. But so yeah, as you can see, that's combining A and B. And there's a little bit of Z in there, but Z, mind your damn business, we're gonna get to you later. So you can see that we've shaded in both A and B. Both of them, you know, and we even included the little middle part because, you know, they're both there, you know. But now the next one. All right, guys, we got the new one. We got A, and we got the upside down N. What does that mean? So basically, what this implies is that you're gonna shade the area which has both A and Z, but only when they're together. So what do you think that means? Well, let's look at this for a second. All right. So as you can see, this middle section combines A, B, and Z together in one. So obviously we can shade that. Alright, but as you can see, this little section right here also has A and Z in it. So, you know what that means? It means for this to be true, we also gotta... Alright guys, here it is. Are you confused? Are you confused? Did I do a good job explaining everything? I hope I did, because here we go. This is the hard one. It's the hard one. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. So you're probably wondering, what was that? Well, basically means everything that's not Z. So, you see this, you just completely remove everything that is Z from this picture. Anything but Z and A combined, basically, you look at this entire image, and what part of it that's not in Z also correlates with A? Well, basically anything A, because, you know, it's just how it works. Holy crap, this marker sucks. And there you have it, modern day masterpiece. I could go right into the Modern Art Museum and swap this out for Jackson Pollock. They probably couldn't even tell the difference. Alright, this kind of looks like a crazy person, so let's move on to truth tables before I lose my mind. Oh, them truth tables now, yeah, whoa. Yeah, These are the two new ones you gotta learn. These are new ones in the house. That's an arrow. If you're the observant kind like I am, you'll notice that's an arrow. This is used to be a if-then plot, basically. And this is not. it'll all make sense. Let me just let's just use a little movie magic real quick. Let's just flip around. All right. You see, this is what I was talking about when I meant that they were similar to these guys. All right. So let's just run down it. So let's say we need a statement, okay? Let's write a statement down. Okay, we got a classic statement right here. It's, if it's anime, then it's garbage. Now, let's actually test to see how true it is. So, for P, it'll be anime. And for Q, it'll be garbage. This is crucial. When you start your truth table, you gotta go truth, truth, false, false. True, false, true, false. That's just the law. You gotta start it like that. You gotta put your P, you gotta put your Q. Now the P and Q can be anything, but for some reason, math really likes to use P and Q when it's talking about truth tables. I don't know, there's only 26 letters, there's gotta be one of them. But hold up, Trent, what's that? That kinda looks like the U from the Venn diagram. Well, you're on point there, you know, it's a V, but it basically means the same thing. Let's see right here, we got this. This is real-time strategy. It's like 12 o'clock in the morning. I need to get this done. All right, we got this one next. We got P and we got Q, right? Now this is the opposite of P. P here is true, so it's just the opposite. It's so simple, not even gonna film myself doing it. All right, now if P, then Q. This is what we've been trying to prove, you guys, and this is how we're gonna prove this is true. I mean, it's already true by default, but all right, now let's look at this right here. True, true, down the line, true. All right, now that's true. Now, before we continue, there's one I want to show you because this confused the mess out of me. It's right here. Two falses when it comes to if then is true. It's weird, I know. And to finish off this logical stew we got right here, we got a T, an F, and we got an F and T. Another law about P, if P then Q, is that if it starts off with true, but ends with false, it's false. But if it starts off with false and ends with true, it can still be true. And there you have it. That's the basics about truth tables. And of course, who could forget about the Venn diagram? Yay!